Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this flawless bright under eye look on dark skin. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and share this video with your bestie. Let's jump straight in. So I'm gonna be jumping straight in with my e.l.f. concealers, and I have 3 different shades here. So I already have my eyes done, my blush, my foundation, and things like that already done. So last step is gonna be the concealer, and I did this on purpose so that way I can record for you guys. First, I'm gonna go in with Deep Olive, and Deep Olive I'm gonna place specifically on the outer corner, and I'm just gonna cut my wing just like that. This just really elongates the eye and just really gives you like that snatched look that you want. So think about your eye in like thirds. So you have the outer third, the middle third, and then the inner corner. I'm going to use a brush, of course, the Real Techniques, okay? Real Techniques or nothing, period. This is literally my favorite brush out of all that I own. Real Techniques is absolutely the freaking bomb. If you don't use Real Techniques, like, what are you doing? So I'm just using this brush, and I'm using light, like wispy motions, and I'm just pretty much like tapping. I'm not necessarily like sweeping. And then when I get to the back here, I'm just like really making sure that it's blended out, so that way it's not like, you know, harsh and sharp. You can already see like how lifted my eyes look, and my eyes are already slanted, so rarities that I love. And then I'm just going in with a damp beauty sponge, and I'm not pressing, I'm just lightly tapping. I'm gonna go in with the Tan Neutral Concealer. I didn't even swatch it. So here's the first shade. The neutral looks like. I'm going to place here. Key is honestly just making sure that your concealer is gradual. That's the key. I'm gonna let this sit for a second and just gonna let it dry down a little bit, because you really want it to stay in place. You don't want to like make it all muddy. And I'm going ahead with that same brush, and then I'm just gonna lightly tap the back out first, and just making sure that that's blended into the first shade that we put down. In addition, I'm really avoiding the corners, and I'm really focused on the edges of this concealer. That is super important. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with Light Beige, and Light Beige is the fairest of them all, okay? So these are the 3 shades that I use. You're literally just gonna pop it right here. Not too much, just literally that much. If you have, you know, more under eye space, then go for it, but you really want to think of your eyes in thirds, like I said. I'm gonna go back in with my blush brush, and I like to do this step after I blend out my eyes, just because I feel like I lose some of my blush, and I'm absolutely blush obsessed. So feel free, and you're not gonna use the part that you blended the concealer. You're either gonna use the side or the back of your beauty sponge. And you see how like warm and flawless that is. For my setting powder, I'm going in with the ABH Loose Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Alongside the bridge of my nose as well. So the final step to bright under eyes is white setting powder. So white translucent powder. Today I'm going to be using my Airspun translucent powder, and for this look you really want to go for like that really soft, velvety, powdery, matte finish. So this powder is the most affordable, and to be honest, the best coverage that I have, I think, in my entire makeup collection, to be completely honest. Go ahead, and I'm going to focus this directly on the inner corner. So here is the finished look. I'm gonna zoom in so you can really see the look. So you can clearly see how flawless this under eye is. Okay, period. The under eye is bright, it is popping, it is flawless. If you've made it this far into the video, then why are you not subscribed? Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Mwah. Bye.